Welcome and thank you for stopping by to learn about an easy way to export local Minecraft objects to a 3D model for 3D printing or other 3D purposes such as VR or others. So a pretty easy way to do this is to open your browser and to go to www.craftduplicator.com, which basically gives you two options. Now option number one is to export a Minecraft object and make it a 3D model, or to import a 3D model and make it part of your Minecraft world. If you hit the Go To button on the left-hand side, you can browse for your local Minecraft world. On Windows, Macintosh, or Linux, they all have different world locations. So on Windows, which I'm using here, it's located under the user directory. Under there's a directory called App Data. Under App Data, there's .minecraft, and there is the saves directory, and this is where your worlds are. Should you not be able to see that, this is most likely to the fact that initially Minecraft installs the worlds in hidden directories. On Linux, this is pretty easy. You just hit Ctrl W. On Windows, you just change the attribute of the folder as show hidden folders, and then it actually shows up in your browser as well. You can see it here. I'm browsing down to the Minecraft and then to the saves directory, and that shows my local world that I'm planning to use. So on this, I'm just selecting the world I'm planning to use, so it uploads some of the files and it tells you that it identified the files, and now you just basically hit the button to do the processing. After a moment, if your browser asks, just continue. It might take a couple of seconds for this top-down view of your world to actually show up on your browser screen. It doesn't really make a lot of sense to print the whole world because you're losing a lot of detail. So make a selection on the right-hand side. There are some tools to help you with that. And select the area that you really want to export to your 3D model. Here I'm selecting the house that I initially looked at. And then once you're happy with that, just hit it. And your selection then is shown in a little gallery. And once you're happy with the 3D model that it has been generated and is shown in the gallery, just enter your email address and then hit go. And a short while after that, an email will show up in your inbox that contains a link to the 3D model represented in an STL file that you can then download by just clicking on the link and view. Or just download and open it with your favorite slicer to prepare it for 3D printing. And that's really all there is to it. And you should be done with the whole process in 3 minutes or less. So thanks for watching, and you have a good day.